Welcome back guys, I'm Paul from Server Factory, and today we have some CPU announcements. But first, apologies for the upload delay. We've been moving offices and that has taken up all our time for the past weeks. Thank you for your patience. Now let's get into it. Typically, with the announcement of a new series of CPU, you can expect a marginal increase in clock speeds or IPC. This has been common with the EPYC series from the 7001 or Naples to the 7002 Rome series and to the latest 7003 Milan series. AMD have done something a little different for this release. They are expanding upon the Milan series, creating the 7003X or Milan-X generation. With this new generation, AMD have focused on developing an incredibly dense solution with industry-first 3D die stacking. AMD claim these improvements can improve performance by up to 66% across a variety of computing workloads when compared to a non-stocked 3rd-gen EPYC CPU. What is also impressive about the new EPYC series is that AMD have managed to triple L3 cache to 768 MB per CPU. With a dual processor system, you can utilize over 1.5 GB of L3 cache. That's an industry high. A great deal of AMD's partners have announced support for the new V-cache technology, including Supermicro. This means that Supermicro's advanced Superblade, TwinPro and Ultra systems have all been announced to benefit greatly from AMD's new V-cache technology. Testing with the Superblade solution, equipped with the AMD 7003X series CPU, achieved world record results on the Max JOPS benchmark and a near 20% performance increase compared to non-V-cache AMD CPUs. Additionally, using the new AMD processor allows the Superblade to contain up to 20 CPUs in an 8U chassis, with a network switch built into the chassis. Shared cooling and power systems reduce the power usage, while maximum memory can reach up to 40 terabytes in a fully populated AU chassis. Development of this technology is pushing AMD to the pinnacle of the data center processor industry, being a real contender for the top spot. Let's take a look at the finer details. Courtesy of StorageReview.com, here's a list of all the new SKUs along with their respective pricing. As you can see, each SKU averages around the $1,000 mark more expensive than their non-X counterpart. Here you can see how AMD have approached the 3D die stacking using their hybrid bonding technology. It has not been an easy feat. They have had to take into account the different rates of thermal expansion of the silicon and the other materials used. As you can see in the graphic, there is a linear relationship between the L3 cache capacity and IPC, or instructions per cycle percentage uplift. Now, despite the performance figures being reported, AMD have been transparent that the new developments won't benefit all use cases the same. Workloads that will benefit greater than others are workloads sensitive to L3 cache size, workloads that have high L3 cache capacity misses, or workloads that have high L3 cache conflict misses. Examples of use cases where these workloads are experienced more frequently include CFD or fluid dynamics, structural analysis and FEA finite element analysis. What do you think about AMD's new developments? Will you be incorporating Milan-X into your systems? Interested in purchasing related products? Get in contact with our sales team. Email is in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe and ding that notification bell. See you next time.